It's not an issue many folks would think about, but one 24-year-old entrepreneur is working to find a cure for chronic hiccups in the form of fruit-flavored lollipops. Catherine Hauser shares how MJ Kievman's personal experience led to invention.
There's not too many 24-year-olds with this kind of title.
CEO. Yep, founder and CEO.
MJ Kievman, a Manchester, Connecticut native, runs a biotech company called Meter Health and invented these Hiccup Pops, a lollipop that can stop hiccups.
You're passionate about this.
I'm deeply passionate about this, yeah. I've been at it for a long time.
10 years ago to be exact, and here's how these Hiccup Pops came to be.
When I was a kid, about 12 years old, I developed what I now know were likely chronic hiccups. So I had hiccups for around 3 months.
So she began researching and testing solutions in her kitchen to help find a remedy, and she noticed something in the process.
Very little tried and true remedies or products or solutions that were available, and that's kind of what sparked this whole process.
MJ says she quickly realized that there was a need.
Because I think hiccups especially are one of those conditions where it's easy to look at it as stupid or silly or minor or say this will just go away in time for everyone.
She says that's not the case for people undergoing chemotherapy treatments or dialysis, where chronic hiccups can be a side effect.
There are steroids and medications that are used in chemotherapy regimens that are linked to chronic hiccups in the literature.
MJ's Hiccup Pops can be found at CVS locations across the country, but she's really excited for the next chapter for her company, as the FDA is currently working on approval for a hiccup-preventing pill that will soon be on the market.
To date, there's no FDA-approved treatment for chronic or clinically significant hiccups and no FDA-approved treatment for intractable hiccups. It's my goal to provide the first treatment for people who really need it.
MJ's advice, don't give up.
That's exactly why you do it, is to help other people improve their quality of life and to make their lives better.
In Hartford, Catherine Hauser,